Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel, Mountain Cyclist Emoji. Today, we're checking out a true powerhouse in the fat tire bike world, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike for adults. Right pointing finger emoji, looking to grab this beast? Don't wait, check the link below for today's best deal and limited time offers before it's gone. With a jaw-dropping 1,800 watts peak motor, the Aipas M1 Pro is built for serious power and off-road performance. Whether you're tackling steep hills, dirt trails, or cruising with authority on city streets, this motor delivers explosive acceleration and a top speed that'll make every ride thrilling. Battery emoji, long-haul battery, 48 volts 17.5 Ah. Equipped with a high-capacity 48 volts 17.5 Ah battery, this e-bike can take you on long adventures without worry. You can expect up to 50 to 60 miles in pedal assist mode, depending on terrain and riding habits. And yes, the removable design means you can charge it at home, in the office, or on the go. Wheel emoji, dominate any terrain, 26 inches by 4.0 inches fat tires. The 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires give you unbeatable traction and shock absorption. Whether you're on sand, snow, gravel, mud, or rocky mountain trails, this e-bike is ready to conquer it all with ease. Combine that with premium front suspension, and you've got a true off-road monster. Gear emoji, smooth shifting, 7-speed transmission. The 7-speed gear system ensures smooth transitions whether you're climbing or cruising. It offers great control in different terrains and works flawlessly with the motor's torque for effortless riding. Shield emoji, built tough and smart. Durable aluminum alloy frame for rugged use. Dual disc brakes for powerful stopping even at high speeds. Advanced LCD display showing speed, mileage, power level and battery. Bright front headlight plus taillight for safety in low-light rides. Ergonomic saddle and handlebars for long ride comfort. Bullseye emoji, perfect for off-road adventurers. Heavy-duty commuters. Riders looking for a power-packed, all-terrain fat tire e-bike. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is not your average e-bike. It's a high-performance, fat tire electric mountain bike designed for people who want serious power, long range, and extreme terrain capability. If you're looking for a premium bike experience, this one absolutely delivers. Link symbol emoji, click here to get your Aipas M1 Pro now.